Well, June is National Gun Violence Awareness Month, and safety advocates are putting a spotlight on how and where firearms should be stored.
Yeah, in Florida, it's a crime to leave a loaded gun unsecured in a place a child under 16 could access it. That law requires it to be locked in a safe or fitted with a trigger lock.
So, picking up our coverage on this is 10 Tampa Bay's Christina Mendez. She's joining us live this morning in St. Petersburg. More on a new study and how it reveals that firearms are now the leading cause of death for youth across the country. Good morning, Christina.
Sarah and Jameson, good morning to you both. Yeah, a Johns Hopkins study does show that storing firearms securely can reduce suicides, shootings, and gun theft. Right now, this morning, about 26 different states have some sort of law on the books about this very fact. Now, the study does show that researchers now calling this a public health epidemic. A Johns Hopkins study shows Florida's gun death rate jumped 18% from 2013 to 2022. Guns are now the leading killer of kids ages 1 to 17, and deaths in that age group specifically have doubled during the same time frame. Throughout this awareness month, researchers are urging safe gun storage.
Guns are responsible for more deaths among kids and teens than cars. Only about a third of homes in the U.S. have guns, yet the exposure to firearms can be so lethal that they are responsible for more deaths among this age group. And so making sure that guns are stored safely is essential to help keep our kids safe.
Now, under Florida law, leaving a loaded, unsecured firearm where a child can easily access it is considered a second-degree misdemeanor. If someone is hurt or dies, you could face charges up to aggravated manslaughter.
Hey, Christina, are police there in the city seeing any maybe gun-related trends they're trying to address right now?
Yeah, a spokesperson for the police department does confirm that investigators are starting to see a rise in accidental shootings and guns used in other types of crimes, specifically in teens and young adults. They say this is largely attributed to people leaving guns unsecured in unlocked cars. Live in St. Pete this morning, Christina Mendez, 10 Tampa Bay.